Hello students, I hope everything is fine in your life and energy is going into the right direction. Everybody is fine in the family also, right? Take care of yourself. बच्चों आज की वीडियो I am planning to finish this chapter in this video, right itself. Last video, if you remember, we were discussing total internal reflection. बच्चों, let me tell you, there are some important questions, applications of total internal reflection के ऊपर. That question number 1 is, how will you produce a deflection of 90 degree using total internal reflection or totally reflecting prisms? Question number 2, how will you produce a deflection of 180 degree using totally reflecting prisms? Question number 3, how is it possible for how the formation of mirage takes place? Question number 4, what are optical fibers which are basically commonly used in telecommunication? Their use is based upon the concept of total internal reflection. Last video we have done what are the two conditions of TIR, followed by what is the definition of critical angle, and finally there was a derivation mu is equal to 1 upon sin c. Proof I shall be giving you. Alright, so these important questions I shall be giving you later on. Right? So we are now focusing on what happens as far as the spherical surfaces are concerned. Convex spherical surface and concave spherical surface, they are concerned. Children, I am talking about this surface is called in physics convex spherical surface, and this surface is called concave spherical surface. Children, this is medium number 1, let it be air A. Medium number B, let it be glass. Throughout, here it is number A and it is number B. Right? The other things, other definitions you are familiar. Called principal axis, optical center. Tell me its center of curvature. Where will be? C will be here. This is called pole P. Here pole is here. Its center for this surface it will be somewhere here. Let it be C. Optical center. Children, there are certain assumptions and sign conventions. Sign conventions are same. Any distance measured in this direction will be plus, in this direction will be minus. All the distances are measured from P. The distances measured above principal axis are positive, below principal axis negative. This third application will not be used here because here in our syllabus only point objects are there. So in case the object is a point object, so above principal axis, below principal axis has no role to play. Alright, so the first two conditions, first two sign conventions will be utilized. बच्चों, there are some assumptions. What are assumptions? I told you, in दोनों cases में object is taken as point object and we are using small aperture. We assume जितने भी angles बनेंगे they will also be very very small. So these are the basic assumptions. बच्चों, there is a common derivation. The result remains out to be same forever. I would like to discuss two cases of this lens, one case of this. This is not required. Let us go for the two cases for this surface called convex spherical surface. I am talking about what happens when the refraction takes place from convex spherical surface. So this is refraction by convex spherical surface. Case number A is when image is real. Children, just see here, this is going to be a convex spherical surface. Now this question is an important question आपके एग्जाम्स के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से. ये क्वेश्चन कई अलग अलग तरह से will be coming in the exam. Like the one way I have written, discuss the case when final image is real, or discuss the case when object lies in the rarer medium and the image is formed in the denser medium. Okay, like this. Let us see what happens. Children, I consider one object to be O. This is center of curvature. I can join here. This will become the normal because center, anyway, this is radius, this this radius, this angle is considered to be 90 degree. So this will serve the purpose of normal. Children, the ray is going, it will come here. Now what is the future of this ray? This ray is going from rarer medium to the denser medium. It will bend towards the normal and image is formed at this point. Now one simple question is coming to the mind. एक रे की मदद से इमेज कैसे बन गया? तो ध्यान रखना, another ray you can consider through this point, it will go straight and the final image will be formed at this point. All right, बच्चों, suppose इस मीडियम का absolute refractive index is mu1, इस मीडियम का mu2. So what happens as far as the final result is concerned? Before writing down the final result, I wish to tell you case number 2 also. This diagram, when you go for the proof for the formula, will be manipulated later on. What manipulation I am talking about? बच्चों, if this point is taken to be E, एक छोटा सा perpendicular principal axis के ऊपर यहाँ से draw किया, this point let it be N. और एक बात, object का angle is taken to be alpha, image का angle to be taken beta, and this angle to be taken to be gamma. This diagram is now completed in all respects. One more thing, PO is small u, the distance of object. PI is small v, the distance of image, and PC is r, the radius of curvature. All right. Now let us, before going to the formula, let us go for case number 2 also. When final image is virtual, what happens? See here, this is convex spherical surface. This center is right here, this pole is here. Children, I am keeping object close to pole. Let it be object O. Other things are same. Let it be mu1, let it be mu2. Now what happens? When the ray goes in this manner, I want normal at this point. Now see here, this will serve the purpose of normal. Let it be the normal. The ray is going from rarer medium to the denser medium. It will bend towards the normal. But children, this bending is not enough. This ray will not be meeting with the principal axis here in this region. Rather, if you see from here, it will appear as if the ray is coming from somewhere here. So this is the diagram for case number 2, when final image is virtual. I should write here, final image or simply image is virtual. Or you can say the object lies in the rarer medium and the image is also formed in the rarer medium. Okay? Now just tell me, see, if this point is E, let us make perpendicular, let it be N. The distance PO is U, small u, the distance of object. PI is small v and PC is R, the radius of curvature. I hope these two diagrams are really clear. They are clear to you. Now let us come to the formula. Mu2 upon V minus mu1 upon U is equal to mu2 minus mu1 divided by R. This becomes formula number 1. Children, a simple proof is available. I shall be giving you in the notes. You can prove the answers are same. The diagrams are, the diagrams are different, but answers will be same. Okay? Case number 1 is for the real image. Case number 2 is for the virtual image. So children, if you look 10 years papers and all boards examinations I am talking about, this is an important question from your from the point of view of your boards examination, right? So remember, mu2 upon V minus mu1 upon U is equal to mu2 minus mu1 divided by R. All right. Now, can you tell me what is mu1 and mu2? Mu1 I have already written in the diagram. mu1 is the absolute refractive index of medium number 1. mu2 is the absolute refractive index of medium number 2. Now, if you are given in the problem the relative refractive index of this medium with respect to this. I am talking about if mu is equal to mu2 upon mu1. Now if you divide both sides by mu1, you will get another interesting formula. If you divide both the sides by mu1, it will become mu2 upon mu1 will be called mu upon v minus 1 upon u is equal to mu minus 1 divided by r. This becomes our formula number 2. So these two formulae are seen. You can go for the simple proof as far as these two results they are really concerned. Okay, you need not to prove the same formula for concave spherical surface. Now let us come to the last thing of the topic called Lense-Maker's formula. Children, first of all, let me just tell you the Lense-Maker's formula. See here, Lense-Maker's formula. एक छोटा सा सवाल. If you focus on the name Lense-Maker formula, can you tell me हमारी लाइफ में lenses का क्या इंपॉर्टेंस है? Lenses are basically used for the formation of images. हम मायोपिया में 10th में पढ़ चुके हो. मायोपिया है तब लेंस लगाओगे ठीक करने के लिए. हाइपरमेट्रोपिया है तब लेंस यूज करोगे. एक बार कंकेव करोगे, एक बार कन्वेक्स करोगे एंड सो. सो बच्चों, lenses are basically produced in factories. फैक्ट्री में जो वर्कर काम करने वाला है, the person is not associated with physics. Person really does not know about different formulae we have seen so far. उसको तो आप कैसे ऑर्डर करोगे? सो रिमेंबर, ये फॉर्मूला जो अब आ रहा है, मैं जरा फॉर्मूला लिख दूं पहले. Lense-Maker's formula is 1 upon f is equal to mu minus 1. It is 1 upon r1 minus 1 upon r2. Can you tell me what is mu1? Let me just make a simple lens for you. Suppose it is a convex lens, has got two surfaces. Number 1, let it be r1, center is here c1. Let it be center number 2, let it be c2, let it be r2. The radius of curvature for the second phase, let it be like this. F is the focal length and mu is the refractive index of this lens. Children, अब आप एक चीज सोचकर देखो. एक सिंपल सा क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट इज Lense-Maker's formula? द फॉर्मूला which tells us कि फोकल लेंथ और द पावर ऑफ द लेंस किस फैक्टर्स के ऊपर डिपेंड करती है. ध्यान से देखो, F depends upon three things: mu, R1 and R2. Three things. Mu means the type of lens, the type of glass you will be using in the manufacturing of these lenses, convex or concave. And R1, R2, these are the radius of curvatures of both the sides. In case of biconvex, अगर R1, R2 सेम है, तो we can say more or less दो फैक्टर्स के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है, नेचर ऑफ ग्लास के ऊपर यानी रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स के ऊपर और आर के ऊपर. बच्चों, वन मोर थिंग, बिकॉज रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ फोकल लेंथ इज कॉल्ड पावर. सो बिकॉज P is equal to 1 upon F, therefore it could be P is equal to mu minus 1. It is 1 upon R1 minus 1 upon R2, called Lense-Maker's formula. So this could be number 1, this could be number 2. These two are the forms of Lense-Maker's formula. The proof I shall be giving in the notes. Alright? So from my side, बच्चों, this chapter is over. This is an important formula. बहुत सारे न्यूमेरिकल्स मेंटली तैयार हो जाओ, आपको इस फॉर्मूले के ऊपर सॉल्व करने होंगे. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself. Alright? God bless you all. So this topic is over. The chapter called Ray Optics and Optical Instruments is over from my side. Alright.